In our next example, we're going to still monitor and look at this property number 3. A large department store offers online ordering. When a purchase is made online, the customer can select one of 4 different delivery options. They can choose expedited overnight delivery, expedited second business day delivery, standard delivery, or delivery to the nearest store for customer pickup. So I have them listed right down here along this right-hand side. Consider the chance experiment that consists of observing the selected delivery option for a randomly selected online purchase. So these are not equally likely outcomes because we're doing an observation. We're not certain that there's equally likely outcomes, but we can still figure out our probabilities because we're given a little bit of information here. What are the 4 simple events that make up the sample space? Well, I have them listed right here, right? Expedited overnight, expedited second business day, standard, and then store delivery or customer pickup. We know that in our sample space then, this should add up to 100% or 1 if you're talking in terms of decimals. And so right now I know that 0.3 is standard, 0.1 is expedited second business day, and then 0.1 is expedited overnight. We know then from this information that the store delivery pickup is going to be 1 minus all 3 of these, and these add up to 0.5 or 50%. So the store delivery or pickup is, the probability of that happening is going to be 0.5 because we can see our sample space there. So suppose the delivery probabilities are listed in red. A, find the probability that a randomly selected online purchase selects delivery to the nearest store for customer pickup. So we go ahead and look over here. The probability is in red already, and we're going to look for the delivery to the nearest store for customer pickup. Again, we had to calculate that by taking 1 minus these 3 to get what was left over, and that was 0.5. The second problem here says find the probability that the customer selects a form of expedited delivery. So they're going to choose the probability of expedited overnight or expedited second business day. That case, we're going to go ahead and add up 0.1 and 0.1 to get our 0.2. The last part says find the probability that either standard delivery or delivery to the nearest store is selected. So standard delivery is 0.3, and we found out that to the nearest store was 0.5, so that 0.3 plus 0.5 would give us an 80% or 0.8 probability for either or.